Number 1.
1983 Dodge D150, price $5,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a dependable 318 V8 engine paired with a 727 transmission. The truck runs and drives well, making it a solid driver for daily use or as a vintage weekend truck. It features a blue exterior that is complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and consistent classic look. The vehicle runs on gasoline and has a properly functioning heating system, providing comfort in cooler conditions. The air conditioning system is present and would likely work as intended with a simple recharge. Overall, this Dodge D150 is in good mechanical condition for its age and comes with a clean title, making it a great option for someone looking for a straightforward, honest classic truck.
Number 2.
1995 GMC 1500, price $6,000. It is powered by a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine and has only 112,000 original miles, making it a desirable example for its year. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and a rear-wheel drive drivetrain, delivering a straightforward and reliable driving experience. Finished in a white exterior with a black interior, this GMC maintains a very clean cabin that has clearly been well cared for over the years. The interior remains in excellent condition for its age, with minimal wear and a tidy overall appearance. Mechanically, the truck runs strong and reflects responsible ownership throughout its life. Cosmetically, the vehicle does show signs of age and use, including typical Midwest rust, as well as scratched and worn paint on the hood and roof.
These imperfections are consistent with an original truck of this era and do not detract from its overall solid structure and drivability. Number 3.
1968 Chevrolet C20, price $7,500, powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives strong and has been well maintained, with all essential systems functioning properly. Everything works as it should, including the wipers, heater, and a modern stereo system that features Bluetooth connectivity, making it both practical and enjoyable for daily driving or weekend cruising. It is equipped with brand new tires from Les Schwab, providing excellent traction and added peace of mind on the road. The truck stands out with a unique patina paint finish that preserves its vintage character while adding personality and style. Custom airbrushed woodgrain detailing enhances both the exterior and interior, giving the vehicle a one-of-a-kind look that sets it apart from typical restorations.
Number 4.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck has 148,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is a two-wheel drive equipped with a locker and is powered by a stock 350 cubic inch TBI engine paired with a 4-speed automatic 700R4 transmission. With all gears operating smoothly, it has been reliably used for an 80-mile round-trip daily commute without issues and currently serves as a backup vehicle to an electric car. The owner plans to upgrade to a 4x4 or AWD vehicle, which is the reason for selling. The truck is equipped with air conditioning that needs a recharge, while the heater works very well. It also has a rare factory rear window defroster, which is fully functional.
Number 5.
1970 Chevrolet C20, price $6,500. It features a gold exterior paired with a black interior. This truck is not perfect and is not a show truck, it is a solid, honest classic pickup. It was purchased directly from the original owners and shows its age with some dings, adding to its character. The floorboard has been patched, and sound-deadening material was installed over it. However, there is still rust underneath.
Despite that, the frame remains solid. Overall, the truck is in above-average condition for its age. The vehicle is currently tagged and licensed, and the heater works properly. It has all new turn signal lenses and bulbs, a brand new steering wheel, and a brand new turn signal harness. Overall, this is a very neat and presentable classic pickup that is ready to be driven and enjoyed as a true old-school truck. Number 6.
1970 Ford F250, price $9,500, finished in a black exterior and built as a true heavy-duty classic pickup. It is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine that delivers strong performance and is paired with a 4-speed transmission and an NP203 divorce transfer case, providing dependable 4-wheel drive capability. The truck runs well and is reported to be in good operating condition. From the factory, this F250 was equipped with an automatic transmission, adding to its ease of driving while still retaining the rugged character that highboy models are known for. The original highboy configuration gives the truck its tall stance and solid presence, making it especially appealing to collectors and enthusiasts of classic Ford 4x4 trucks.
Number 7.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck has 89,000 original miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior and a very clean interior that has been well cared for over the years.
The transmission shifts smoothly, and although the brakes feel slightly spongy, the truck has no issue stopping and remains safe to drive.
The vehicle does require cab corner repairs, however, there is no rust elsewhere, and the rocker panels are in excellent condition. The truck does have an intermediate rocker arm that ticks occasionally, but not all the time, and it has been driven daily without any reliability issues. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a solid and dependable truck with relatively low mileage for its year, making it a great candidate for a daily driver, light work, or a clean classic pickup to improve over time.
Number 8.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $3,775, reliable and capable pickup designed to handle everyday needs with ease. It has traveled 129,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission, making it comfortable and convenient for daily driving. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck offers a practical yet timeless look. The spacious cabin and 112-inch wheelbase provide a stable and comfortable ride, while the XL trim adds to its simple, no-nonsense appeal. Powered by a strong and dependable engine, this Ranger delivers solid performance backed by Ford's well-known durability, making it a dependable choice for work or daily use.
Number 9.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,850, powered by a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine with 142,000 miles. It comes with an automatic transmission and features a silver exterior complemented by a tan interior. The truck has proven to be very reliable, starting easily in all weather conditions and performing well on multiple long-distance road trips. It has been well maintained, with recent work including new front brakes, new wheel bearings, and a complete tune-up consisting of fluid changes, spark plugs, wires, cap, and coil. In addition, brand new tires have recently been installed. The climate control system functions properly, providing cold air and warm conditions and strong heat when needed. Overall, everything on the truck works and functions as it should, making it a dependable and road-ready pickup.
Number 10.
1980 Chevrolet C20, price $2,950, classic long bed pickup equipped with a V8 gasoline engine and a manual transmission, offering a true old-school driving experience. The truck has approximately 158,000 miles and comes in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and period-correct look. It is a two-wheel drive pickup that runs well and performs reliably for its age. Mechanically, the truck is in good running condition and would make a solid daily driver, work truck, or restoration project.
Cosmetically, it does need some minor attention, but the body and overall structure remain very solid.
This C20 would be ideal for someone looking for a classic Chevrolet truck with character and potential, ready to receive some care and TLC to bring it to the next level.